Hello everyone and welcome to this module on the plumbing trade. In today's video, we are going to construct a septic tank and a soak pit. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to construct a septic tank and construct a soak pit. For this, the required materials and tools are measuring tape 1, spade 1, pickaxe 1, mortar pan 1, trowel 1, spirit level 1, plumb bob 1, straight edge 1, tube level 1, crowbar 1, cement as required, brick as required, brick bats as required, aggregate as required, river fine sand as required, CI frame with cover as required, and lime powder as required. Set out the septic tank. By the end of this exercise, you will be able to set out the septic tank, lay the cement concrete for its foundation, construct brick courses with bonding while providing the air vent. Let us now start the procedure. Mark line AB and point Q on the line AB. From the point Q, draw a line CD. Mark QM, that is equal to 2.10 meters. Mark JK equal to 5.10 meters. Mark a perpendicular line GH that is parallel to CD. Joining JKLM gives us the required septic tank. Excavate the rectangular septic tank to a depth of 2.75 meters. Lay the cement concrete. Place the base concrete of 1:2:4 ratio to a thickness of 25 centimeters. Level the top surface of the concrete bed with a slope of 1:10. Lay the brick courses with bonding. Lay the bricks around the wall using English bond, 1 brick thick using cement mortar ratio of 1:4. Lay a 40 mm thick RCC baffle wall 90 cm from the inlet end. Keep the inlet stoneware pipe 100 mm above the water level. Keep the outlet pipe 100 mm below the sewage level. Fill all the joints inside the septic tank. Fix an 80 mm CI vent pipe. Keep the vent pipe 200 centimeters above the ground level. Fix the CI cowl at the top of the vent pipe. Lay a 10 cm thick RCC in the ratio of 1:2:4 slab or removable slab over the septic tank. Our next task is to construct a soak pit. By the end of this exercise, you will be able to do a circular marking according to the size excavate a trench construct a brick wall with a dry joint, fill with brick bats, install an inlet bend and provide an airtight cover. Construction of a soak pit. Excavate a 1 meter circular pit with a depth of 2 meters. Construct a wall using broken bricks or broken rock. Fill the trench with brick bat or rock bat. Fix an inlet using stoneware and PVC with a 10 cm gap from the bottom. Do sand casing providing up to 30 centimeters on the sides. Construct a soak pit up to 45 centimeters in height from the ground level. Provide an RCC airtight cover to prevent rainwater from going in. In this video, we have discussed how to construct a septic tank and how to construct a soak pit. Hope you have a clear understanding of this session. Thank you all and see you again in the next video.